Happy holidays and welcome back, guys. Today we'll be doing some roasted Cornish hen with some mashed potatoes and some cranberry sauce. It's a perfect holiday meal. Christmas is right around the corner, so let's get started. If you haven't already, please subscribe. If you have, don't forget to comment, share, and like this video. Now we're going to start off with our Cornish hen that's been clean, washed, and pat dried. I'm going to be using some green seasoning. The link is right up in the top right hand corner. Add your powdered seasoning to it. Add some oil. We're going to make this into a loose paste. This is what will be our marinade for our Cornish hen. So we're going to mix that all in. Add some more oil if needed. And once that is all mixed in, now we're going to rub that on our Cornish hen. Now be very generous with the seasoning, the marinade. Rub it all in every crevice and every corner, on the skin, between the joints. Make sure you get that all in. Repeat the steps until all your Cornish hens are marinated. Once all your Cornish hens are marinated, then we're gonna marinate our Cornish hen for at least 2 hours under refrigeration, or even marinate overnight. Once your Cornish hen is marinated, we're going to take a baking dish or a sheet pan, grease the bottom or line with aluminum foil. Lay your Cornish hens out in your baking dish evenly. The remaining marinade that's in the bowl, scrape that out, spread it over your Cornish hen. And then we're going to bake our Cornish hen for 45 to 65 minutes at a preheated oven at 400 degrees. Bake until golden brown or until clear juices is running out of your Cornish hen. Now I started some mashed potatoes earlier. Drain your mashed potatoes, add them to a bowl. I heated some cream as well with some bay leaf, rosemary, and garlic. Remove your bay leaf and your rosemary. Add your cream and garlic with my puree attachment. I'm going to puree my potatoes until all the lumps are out. Add some whole butter, and with a spatula, fold that whole butter in until melted. Season with salt, white pepper, and just use your spatula to fold the potatoes until creamy. Now remove your Cornish hen. It should be nice and golden brown with a crispy skin. The liquid or oil in the bottom of your pan, just take a spoon and baste your Cornish hen with that. Don't waste any of these juices. Once you're done basting that, now it's going to be time for plating. There you go, you got your nice creamy velvety mashed potatoes, your roasted Cornish hen, and some cranberry sauce. The cranberry sauce link is in the top right hand corner as well. And this is a wonderful meal, guys, for your holidays, for Christmas, the New Year, or even a Thanksgiving that has just passed. Now if you enjoyed this video, leave a like and a comment. Subscribe if you haven't. Share. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, guys. Happy holidays and Merry Christmas when it comes.